now I'm going to go ahead and start on the flat side. So this side, from my perspective, is running parallel, right? It doesn't have really a point of view. So does this one, so does this one. They will be simpler. I start there. You should too. You'll only improve that way. So I'm going to come over here and let's add a window. It runs parallel to the paper. So this way and the bottom of the paper this way. So here we go. There's my beautiful window. We don't want to add too many details. You can always go back in and add those later. How about a longer window over here running parallel? Next building. Is it the same size? No, it's getting smaller. Exactly. Giving it perspective and size. And for these ones, that's all we're doing. The next part, we'll go over perspective in the angles of our lines too. This one, so far away, it's just going to have some little windows over there. Now, let's get to the difficult part. Over here, I'm going to start with a door. The lines of the house still run with the side of my building, side of my paper. So I'm going to start there. Up and up. They're parallel, they're straight up and down. But, like we talked about these lines coming out, it's going to angle with the bottom here, so I'm thinking it should go like that. Does that look like the door has perspective? Excellent. Next door, again, it's going to get smaller, but it still has that angle. Sometimes it almost looks sharper towards the middle. And in here, I don't think we'll really see it because I've got marker, but you could try and add that in there as well. Windows are going to do the same thing. This is where the top part is going to be really important. So, like we did in pencil, here's this window, parallel to the side of the building, parallel to my paper, right? This building's staying in perspective. But here it's really flat, so my angle's not very sharp on the top and not very sharp on the bottom, but it's going to get wider here than it is on this side. I don't know if you can see the detail, but it's definitely a little bit wider. Up here, if there were a window, the top of it is running almost the same as this. The bottom is also running the same angle. Does it look like it's in perspective? Excellent. Down here, let's just pretend there's a window over here. It's going to run with this angle going down. So it would really go like this and like this. Okay, please add windows or a door to every side of these buildings. I will be looking because you get more practice that way.